Let's start with the third case study in which we apply the multinomial knife-Bayes classifier, which is a specific instance of the knife-Bayes classifier. So what we do over here is that we extract the email text into a string, and then we also have the labels as well, which are appended in Y. So we have the email messages in the X, and then we have the labels which are appended in the Y. Then we split them actually using a predefined set ratio as well. So we have a 70-30% ratio. 70% goes to training and 30% actually goes to testing. And we convert the email messages into vectorized form through the bag of words representation that we have already seen with the help of an example as well in the slides. And here we are actually applying the multinomial knife Bayes then on the training that we have done on the testing vector actually, and then we try to get the results. So overall we have got the 95.6%, which is close to 96% accuracy for multinomial knife Bayes for fighting spam email messages. So that's all from this module. And in this module, we have seen the three case studies. This was the last one, and we have got the results. I have already discussed it in the slides as well, that what is the reason behind getting this much accuracy that we have not got from the stopping and stemming words representation. Similarly, in the localized sensitive hash, it was a slightly better, 20% more than the previous one, and now we have much more better results using multinomial knife-Bayes classifier. I thank you all for listening to this module, and I welcome you in the next module. Thank you. Hi everyone. I'm just testing the quality of this mic and the sound system that I have. So thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.